So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to turn on silent mode on your device. So let's get it started. Now see, this is the inbox of your settings and scroll down below. Then you can see the option of sound and vibration, so tap on it. Now again scroll down below. Then you can see the option of silent mode. In the right side of the screen you can see the enable icon, so just tap on it. Now see, your calls and notification will be muted. It means that your phone has been on silent mode. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.